Hi, today I'm going to talk about the topic for digital transformation. I think this topic has been very hot topic, in the last few years in all kind of industry. And today I just want to talk about this topic, especially on the education sector. Uh, because quite a lot of partners come and talk to me, there's a huge market in terms of the digital transformation in the education, especially in the higher education like the university and colleges. Sometimes, we may find very difficult to approach them and understand the customer requirement. So today I'm going to share my experience and how we can discuss with the customer about this topic, the digital transformation, and how we can get the requirement from them and how we can make the sales or promote our product and solutions. When we come to the education market, right? So first of all, we need to know most of the customer, they will have like 5 stages undergoing what we call the digital transformation. First of all, they must have some ambition, what they want to achieve, what they want to do in terms of a digital transformation. Likely, they may want to conduct some kind of e-learning, maybe e-classroom, or some other intelligent tools, to enable the student to learn quicker, to learn faster, right? Once they define the objective, the ambition, then they will go to another stage called design. Design means, if I want to do it, what should I have to do? How do I design my network? How do I design my application? How can I approach this? And how can I define, my design that will meet with the ambition objective? And then we will move to the next stage, talking about how we deliver. And after deliver, the basic concept and how we scale up, the design and everything we install to a large scale. That means the whole university, the whole school can use the applications or the infrastructure. And finally, how we can refine this. So actually, most of the customer will go through, in different stages. And when you talk to them, when you approach them, right, you have to know which stage that they are right now, and we should get the right information in the topic and talk to them. So first of all, we talk about the ambition. Ambition, is pretty simple. Let's define what is digital transformation. Actually, digitalization means it's a transformation for all information type, like text, sounds, your video, other data format, everything changed into digital language. Why we have this initiative? Because it will be very easy, for the students, for the teachers to search. And also, we can track the student behavior very easy, what they study, what article they read, what material they study. So because everything is digitalized, so we can track easily, we can know easily. And also right now, people talking about the online education under the COVID-19, right now. So it's quite a hot topic, how we conduct the whole learning, the education, through online, through internet. So this is one of the ambition talking about the digitalization. Since we put everything on the digital platform, so we can easily done in the internet world through some kind of a simple IP connections. And finally, one of the objectives is to enable students, how to enable them to have a very quick learning cycle. Of course, there will be hundreds of objectives based on different university, their mission, their vision, and they will define. So once they define, the core technology is how we can digitalize all the detail and become a very usable, user-friendly information for them. So the next phase, we're talking about design. The design stage is mainly to search for the right technology partner. That means the partner can help the end user to align with their transformation vision, what they want to do. Because in the previous stage, they will define some objective, their initiative, and how can we deliver in high quality and speed. Normally in the design stage, the end user will approach maybe some application developer. They will approach some ICT infrastructure provider, how they can offer them like the compute infra, the storage, the network infra, including like the Wi-Fi infrastructure in the university, or the network infra, the data center infrastructure, the server, the storage, and some security product that they can run the application. All this objective is very critical in the design stage. And this is a very important stage that we can explain to the customer how important, okay, they need to build a very effective infra to meet their ambition. That means to support them to do the digital transformation. And finally, okay, the current technology extension or adoption of new technology is always a dilemma for most of the customer, because they will think about, oh, actually I deploy a lot of things already. Do I need to drop it out? Or I can still use it for a while? Or I need to drop it and then adopt all new technology? This is quite a hot topic, and need to spend quite a lot of the time to discuss with the end user their budget, their detail. So after we've gone through the design stage, normally most of the customer will come up okay in their mind, and then they want what to deliver. So in the digital transformation, right, always arouse internal conflicts, because most of the internal staff, most of people, they are staying in the comfort zone. Likely they want to do any changes, like the teachers or even the students. But of course the students, okay, they are more quick learner, okay. So for most of the adults or even the school staff, they may a little bit reluctant to change. So how we can get the colleague to participate, okay, in this digital transformation is also a critical success factor. So we need to review about the POC investment. So the POC is what we call the proof of concept. That means most of the time, when we deliver, okay, the solutions, right, we never say, oh, you buy everything. We must come to a stage, say, have a small scale investment in terms of the proof of design, make sure everybody agree, make sure, okay, the business model, I mean, the infra, the application, everything meet the expectations. Normally in this stage, we need to help the customer to define some smart KPI. The KPI is easy to understand, the key performance index. Everything we do, we need to measure the results. So normally when we set our objective, in this stage, we need to define very specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based objective, okay, in this stage. So when we do the POC, what we are going to achieve, is it measurable? Is it relevant to our objective? So we need to set a very reasonable time to deliver everything. So in this stage, also very important, because before the customer really deploy a very big network or big system to meet the digital transformation requirement, right? So this part, okay, is also very critical stage to influence the customer, what technology they use, what particular infra they want to build. And in this stage, after that, we will come up to the scale stage. Scale stage means this process is going to extend, okay, the whole digital transformation in a full scale. That means more applications will be running, different tools will be available. And in the meantime, we can improve a little bit about our objectives to achieve. So in this stage, more application will be developed over the same infrastructure because the infra is ready. So the investment to make more digital transformation will be more easy. Because, for example, in your school, there may be 10 faculties, may only 1 or 2 faculty undergoing the digitalization. They transform all the information, okay, into the infra already. For the rest of the 8 faculties, they may also want to digitalize their information into the same infra so that the student can use it easily. So more and more application will be developed. And in this stage, we also need to scale up the ICT infra because more requirements, okay, in the same customer, so they are going to buy more. Once the customer, they know what technology they use, then they will selectively buy the right product from the market. Of course, if we are the winner or we lobby our technology, okay, in the previous design stage, or even like in the POC stage, then absolutely we are in the advantage, okay, to influence the customer. Sure, when we scale up, okay, the whole infrastructure or the digital transformation, we need to in sync with the previous set, okay, POC objective. So from time to time, when we talk to the customer, we need, okay, to remind them and, okay, align with their objective that they set before. So After the fourth stage, okay, we've gone through already, right? So finally, we will go to the refine stage. In this stage, it may be another project that has the opportunity to kickstart, because by going through the assessment and optimization of the current investment, the infra, right? So the people will evaluate and find their new ambition. As I said, when they build the ICT infra with the compute, storage, network, security, and running their application on top, right? So then they will think about, oh, is the technology I use in the ICT infra in compute is enough? Right now, okay, they may using the x86, okay, computing resources. They will think about, say, oh, in the same infra, do I need to upgrade to like a GPU resources for more AI application? Because some of the faculty, some of the lessons or lectures, the teacher, they may need some other resources, okay, to run their application to support the education need of the students. So this part also need to be, okay, considered very well. So in this stage, the objective is to monitor any change, okay, of the whole infra in terms of the application and the ICT infra after you implement, whether this meet your objective. And finally, then you can think about, okay, any new objective aroused during this review. So after the review, and then we can redefine the ambition again, and then we can do the design and the POC, okay, and the scale up, okay. So this will be a continual process to let the people, to let the customer running a very, okay, effective life cycle for the system development. So this is the concept that I would like to share this week, and hope you enjoy. Thank you.